What's up, guys? This is Paul again from MK Scholars. I hope you guys are doing great, and welcome again to our YouTube channel, MK Scholars, the YouTube channel that we are using to update you about the scholarship opportunities, fellowships, internships, and even job opportunities. As I always tell you, if it is your first time finding the MK Scholars YouTube channel, you gotta subscribe. You have to subscribe for you guys to get notifications about the upcoming scholarship opportunities that we'll be updating here on our YouTube channel. It has been a while. But then, as you all know, we have been working hard to assist you with different applications. But then we are back here because we have received many questions about the scholarships that you are struggling with. Some of you guys are struggling with to apply, and that is why we are here today. We are going to walk you through. We are going to guide you on how you can apply. Normally, when you receive a notification, when you get notification that you are struggling with any application, we come here to our YouTube channel to explain you on how to do it from the first step to the last step. That is why we are here. That is what MK Scholars is doing. We are here to give or to update the students about the scholarship opportunities, but also to guide you on how you can apply. That is why we have created this YouTube channel to guide you how you can apply for any application from the first step to the last step. And as I always tell you, like, if you feel like you want us to do, you want us to do a guiding video about any scholarship opportunity, any job opportunity, you just write it in the comment. You can write it in the comment, and then next time that is what we're gonna talk about. So today we are here. You can see we are on the website. As I always tell you, like, if you want to find out about the scholarship opportunities that are currently open, you can always come to our website so that you could find out the scholarships applications that are currently open. So this is MK Scholars, and they are one of the scholarship opportunity applications that we have been asked about. It is the Mastercard Foundation. And it is a full scholarship that is being offered by Mastercard Foundation at Arizona State University. You can see it has been updated or posted readily, and of course, when you come to our website to be able to read more about any scholarship opportunity, of course, when you come, this is a home, and then if you want to be able to know all the scholarship opportunities that have been posted on this website, of course, you have to click here on the all applications. You click here on the all applications to be able to get all the applications that have been posted here. You can see there are so many of them, but then that's not where we are here. We are here to guide you about one of the scholarship opportunities that have been asked by the students. You can see it is the latest one. You can see you click here, read more. Any scholarship opportunity that you want to know more about, you have to click here, read more. And then when you click read more, and then of course it will pop up, you see, you click here, read more, and then of course Mastercard scholarship at Arizona State University. What is Arizona State University? Of course, it is one of the prestigious university from USA. So, and there is now partnership between Mastercard Foundation and this university, and there is now a full scholarship for students to apply. You can see this is a title. Of course, if you want get our application assistance, of course you have to contact us via WhatsApp. You can see our phone number, and of course, as I always tell you, if it is your first time here, you have to subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, you gotta subscribe. You have to subscribe to be able to receive the notifications about the upcoming scholarship opportunities that will be posting here. And then of course you have to follow us. You can follow us on Twitter to be able to keep up with the updates that we are posting there. And also we also have a Facebook page. You can go there and then be updated about the scholarship opportunities. And as I was telling you, let's dive in. Are you a young African professional looking to advance your education and make a positive impact in your community? Of course, this is for African students. If you're from Africa, this is yours. If you're not from Africa, you can come and find out more about the scholarship opportunities that are here, because this is not yours. But if you're from Africa, of course, this is yours, and then you gotta apply for you to be able to start on this scholarship. So the Mastercard Foundation, in partnership with Arizona State University, is offering 160 fully funded scholarships for master's degree programs from 2025 to 2030. That means that every year they are offering scholarships. They are offering scholarships, and I hope you don't miss this out. So this exciting program allows you to study online with AC, that is African State University, while receiving in personal support and guidance at Kepler College in Rwanda. What does this mean? It means that you'll be studying online, but also attending physical classes at Kepler College. It's kind of like a partnership between the three institutions: Mastercard, African State University, and Kepler College. That means that you'll be attending online classes of African State University, but also you gotta attend the physical class at Kepler College. Okay, and then as I told you, this is for African students. It is a great chance to gain a world-class education with the flexibility of online learning. As I was telling you, there is online learning where you'll be attending classes online of African State University, but also personalized the support of experienced the team that is from Kepler College. You'll be attending physical class at the Kepler College. And as we all know, it's not our first time here. It's not our first time getting to know that Kepler College is partnering with abroad universities. There is also a current application. There is a current application of Kepler College where they are partnering with Kepler. Do you know a Kepler SNHU? Kepler SNHU. There is also a partnership between Kepler and the SNHU. SNHU Southern Hemisphere University from USA. So we can now see that Kepler College is partnering with abroad universities, and they are doing a great job. So coming back here, you see you'll be attending classes online, but also attending physical class at the Kepler College. Okay, then you come and read this for yourself. Let's go to the scholarship benefits. Of course, what are you going to benefit from this scholarship? Of course, the visa application fees. Why do you need the visa application fees? For example, as you all know, Kepler College is now located in Rwanda. That is where they are located. Of course, if you're from like Uganda, if you're from any other country from Africa, rather than Rwanda, of course, you're gonna need a passport. So that is application fees. Of course, this will be covered by this scholarship. English proficiency, this is the scholarship benefits. English language proficiency test, fees for the required language assessment. Of course, if you need to take a test, of course, but I always tell you that this will be covered once you have been selected by this scholarship. Okay, program application fees. Of course, while applying, you can pay from your own pockets, but then after being selected, of course, you will be refunded by the money that you have already paid while applying. That's how it works. And for the international travel, of course, if you have already been selected, and then you'll be coming from any other country other than Rwanda to come to study, to attend the physical classes at Kepler College, of course, you're gonna need the flight ticket, and this will be provided by the Mastercard. And about the tuition fees, of course, they will also be provided. About the living stipend, of course, you'll be receiving a monthly allowance for food and daily living cost. It depends how much you are getting. That depends on what you'll be studying. And about the medical expense, of course, it will also be covered. You can come and read it for yourself. About the eligibility criteria, what I want to focus about the eligibility criteria, it's about this undergraduate degree. You must have completed your undergraduate degree. Complete your undergraduate degree by July 2025. I've been receiving some requests about the students who are currently in university, and they are now passing, and they're studying undergraduate degree, and they're always wondering, how can I apply while still doing my bachelor's degree, but then I want to apply for me to be able to continue master's degree without stopping. So, but then for this scholarship, of course, by July 2025, you must have already received your diploma. If you not have received your diploma by July 2025, then you are not eligible. Okay? So, but then for others, I think you can come and do it for yourself. Let us continue. And if this is not for you, there are so many opportunities that you can apply for. You can see internship, this one, you can apply for these internship opportunities at Inter-University Council for East Africa. You can come and apply for this. You can come and apply for Rwanda job opportunities. So there are so many opportunities that we are posting on our website. That is why I always tell students that, like, if you find MK scholars, try to share it with your friends, try to share it with your families, for also them to apply, for also them to be able to be updated about the scholarship opportunities every day. So about available programs, of course, if you're interested in one of these programs, you can apply. You are the one who is eligible to apply for this. But then if you're not interested in these programs, this is not for you. You can come and click your application, then you will find more scholarship opportunities that are suitable for you. About the required documents, of course, you need a valid passport. Even students from Rwanda, you also need a passport, because there is this time that when you get to attend physical trainings in the USA. Even though I told you that the physical classes take place at the Kepler College, but there are also physical trainings that will be attending at Arizona State University from USA. So you gotta need a passport. For the highest level, of course, I think you will come and read this for yourselves. Let us continue about the application processes. Of course, there are two ways of applying. You can apply by using online link. You can also apply by printing the application form, and then you fill it out, like physically using your pen, and then you submit it to email. Okay? One of the ways you can apply is interested applicants can submit their application online via the scholarship link given at the bottom. Of course, you gotta click here to be able to apply online. But also, if you have limited internet access, you may view and download the PDF version of the form through the application form. To submit, as I told you, you can fill it out physically using your pen, and then you submit it with your other documents to Kepra, to this email address. Okay, that is all. And then let us go to apply. I'm going to walk you through on how you can apply. Open the scholarship link. We are now going to apply. I think we have talked much about what it is about this scholarship, what it is offering, and others. So you can come. You see, this is application link for others. For those who are applying online, but for others who will be applying through the email, of course, you have to download this. You gotta download this, and then once you download this, of course, you're going to fill it out online. Using your phone, not online. Using your pen, and then you combine it with other documents like CV and others, as they talked about it here. CV, recommendation letter, and the transcript. I'm talking about all the required documents for those who will be applying through the email. The email is this one, Kepra ASU scholarships. That is where you'll be applying using you send them through this email. But then what is going to be sent there, of course, is this. You gotta download it, and then once you download it, and then you fill it out with your pen, and then you attach it. You combine all those documents with it, and then you submit through the email. But then for others who will be applying online, and it is highly recommended, if you have enough internet, you can apply you can apply online. Okay, this is application link, and then you can come and fill it out. You can see we recommend working on this application in a word process first so that you can save your responses I'm sorry, and avoid losing your work. Please direct any other questions to Master. If you have any question, of course, you can ask them through here. You can see your surname. You can put it there. Give your names. I think I don't have to spend much time explaining this, and then you have to select. I think you can come and do it for yourselves. Okay? So that was the full scholarship opportunity that is being offered by Mastercard Foundation at the Arizona State University, the university that is coming from USA. The university from USA, and I think one of the interesting things that we gotta do in your application is about the writing essays, writing personal statement, writing motivation letters. So here, please provide a personal statement that outlines your motivations for pursuing your chosen master's degree program. Depending on the program that you have already chosen here, of course, let us say that you have chosen to study business analytics, okay? What does it mean? That means that you are going to write a personal statement that outlines your motivation for pursuing business analytics, okay? Discuss your relevant academic and professional experience and how this program aligns with your career goals, okay? I do suppose that the students who will be applying for this, of course, they're already able to write their own essays which are standard. So, and as I always say this, one of the things that matters in a full scholarship application is personal statement or an essay that you write. Okay? So if you're going to write this, of course, you gotta brainstorm. You gotta come up with your personal information, your personal ideas, not relying on AI, not relying on anyone's ideas. No, that's what we call personal statement. It has to come from you, and then it has to be personal. Okay, for you to stand out from others. Okay, this is one of the personal statements that has to be written. And of course, if you're writing, like, for example, let me say that I'm going to pursue business analytics, like I'm a youngster, okay? This is how you're going to do it. But then, of course, you can do as many as draft that you want using your word, and then you can come and you can copy and paste the final draft of your personal statement here, okay? And of course, if you need assistance with writing personal statement or an essay, we are always here for you. The MK scholars, we are always here for you. And as we told you, our phone number is 079 86 111 and 61. Okay? 079 079 86 111 and when I say 111, that is 111 and the 16, okay? And you can come also find it here, okay? This is our phone number. You can contact us for the assistance with essays and personal statement writing and proofreading. Okay, we are experienced in this, and then we've been doing this for over 5 years. Okay, and then once you're done with all this, of course, while uploading, of course, you have to do it like this one. I think that is enough, and you'll be able to find out for others. For the list. And this was a full scholarship opportunity that is being offered by Mastercard at Arizona State University. And we also, we come again talking about other scholarship opportunities that is trending. That is what we do. That is what MK Scholars is doing. We are updating about the scholarship opportunities through our social medias. I'm talking about the website. We are posting every day about the scholarship opportunities. I'm talking about the YouTube. We are also posting there about the guiding videos. I'm talking about the Facebook page, MK Scholars. I'm talking about the Twitter, MK Scholars. You gotta go there and follow us. You are going to be receiving information about the scholarship opportunities. Okay? So this was Paul from MK Scholars, and thank you for your time. Blessings over blessings.